Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Marion and this video is product show. I'm showing some of the other products that we have on zeelions.com. Apart from the beautiful hair that we sell, we also have hair accessories. So our product for the day, product number one, is this beautiful hair straightener. These hair straighteners come in different colors, so everyone should be able to get the color that they want. This particular one is a blue. It has bling, it has glitter, it has a temperature show screen, so you're able to see and know the heat temperature that you're using on your hair, which is very important. The power cord is long enough so you don't have to stay in one place. It's actually not so heavy, even though it has the bling, and the size is perfect. So these are really beautiful, and they would work well for a gift. So you could be able to buy it and give it out as a gift. Okay. Next product number two, is this lace wing glue. Now this, my friends, is something. This glue is water resistant. It is a strong hold. It's water based, and it doesn't have any harsh solvents in it. So you just apply a few drops, 2 to 3 drops, wait for them to clear, and then you put the lace. Then you tie down the lace, of course, for about 10 minutes, and then the glue should be dry by then. If you'd love to see a video of me using this glue in detail, please leave a comment below and I'll make a video about that. So our third and last product for the day is the glue remover. Now this works very well with that glue. This is also made out of organic products, so it will not irritate your skin. You basically just apply 2 to 3 drops, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you clear your hairline. Now this will protect your hairline, will protect your baby hair. So when you use this together, you've made a good choice. So that's it. These are some of the products that we're selling at zeelions.com. Please consider coming to check us out. And for all those who have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I hope you love the video. Until then, cheers.